before I even get into how great this price is, because it's an expiring price, and because it's the first day that this has been presented, and because this is a new pattern, Tara, I am so blown away by the beauty of this pattern. This is from Tara at Home. This is Woodland. It's a nesting 3-quart and 4-quart bowl set. It's age 22.85. That price that expires and goes up at the end of the day for both bowls is $44.96. And then we have it on 3 easy payments of $14.99, unless you use that Q card, and you can get it home for 5 easy payments. Only 2 colors to choose from. We have it in white, classic white. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it so much. And then we have it in that slate gray as well. So Woodland and Tara at Home. Tara, I hadn't seen this before, and I just was drooling over my computer when I was doing my research on this earlier.
Well, first of all, I love the capacity of the bowls, right? So you're getting 7-quart capacity with both bowls. The largest one is going to be your 4-quart, and it has that low profile. But let's talk about that woodland pattern that you were mentioning. So it's got carved detail. It's got that carved wood grain that runs around the edges. And what's beautiful, it's then dipped in what we call our glass glazes. And the glass glaze actually brings the embossing, brings the pattern to life. And so that's what you're admiring when you see not only the solid color, but also, again, you've heard me say over and over, I don't do boring whiteware, right? The fact that you have the glass glazes, you have that intricate detail, and you have 2 great sizes, your 4-quart, and I have the 3-quart here that we actually did a beautiful salad. So you saw us do earlier, we did a beautiful spinach salad. This is a mixed green salad. But think about all of the mayonnaise-based things we're serving now, whether it's your coleslaw, whether it's your potato salad, your pasta salad. The fact that you can chill these ahead of time and keep it cold while you're dining outside on your patio, this is why you want our bowl set. And the woodland is more beautiful in person than we could ever show you here. I just think when you see it, it's stunning.
It is truly stunning. It blew me away. You know what it kind of reminds me of? It's that perfect sort of transitional piece. It reminds me of like a crossover of that beautiful farmhouse look with something that's super sleek and modern at the same time. So like it's perfection for all decor.
Yes.
And it's clean looking, but it has interest because it has dimension and it has texture. I'm gushing over it. I love it.
Oh, I love that. Thank you. And you know what? I think this is such a great gift. Like if you need to be sending a wedding gift to someone or a shower gift to someone, I know we're doing them all kind of virtually, but this is such a great gift because it's exactly what you were saying. If you watch those home makeover shows, if you're watching that Farmhouse Chic, it is truly a trend that is here for a long time. And these pieces coordinate and go back to that kind of theme. So if you know someone who collects it, if you just want your food to pop, like look how beautiful the rice looks there with all of your vegetables cut up. Yet that's in your 3-quart. In your 4-quart, we've done a full chicken, a full meal for your family, roasted over the vegetables, tucked it in the oven, bring it right to the table. So as beautiful as these are, you don't have to baby them, but we are so excited about our woodland. The launch again of this pattern is very new. And I love that we have it in the slate gray. Originally when we debuted it, we only had the white.
No, we didn't bring too many of these in. I have to warn you, if you want that slate gray, oh my goodness, we only have 350 remaining. Wow. Okay, so, but if you want that classic white, 900 remain. And I gotta say, you can't go wrong with either of them at this price. Pick up both of them because they look beautiful nested together. We do have a whole dinnerware set. We have, oh my goodness, like there's a whole collection that I didn't even know. I'm gonna go do a deep dive of that later. But you forget when it's this stunning of serveware, of everything that you can do with it, like the dishwasher, like the oven, like the refrigerator. Can this go in the freezer? No.
It can. You know what else is great in here?
What?
Yes, it can go in the freezer, of course. Yep.
Okay.
The fact that you can take your KitchenAid hand mixer, you could mix what you were making right inside here. When we talk about it being metal utensil safe, that's one of the things we in extreme kind of way. You wouldn't do that in your fine china, but you never have to baby this because you have that carved detail, because you have that glass glaze. This is virtually, other than dropping it on the floor and breaking it, it's virtually indestructible. And that's what we love about stoneware. It's what our grandmothers used and their grandmothers used. Just a terra at home Temp-tations brings it to today's lifestyle.
I'm gonna go grab something out of the oven. I think we have cobbler, is that right?
Yeah, do it.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, that's the rumor.
Yes, it is.
That's the rumor.
True.
We're gonna finish out the dessert section. Yes.
Oh my
Hey, by the way,
goodness.
how are you loving those gloves?
You know what? I've used them before and I kind of forgot how amazing they were until I reached my hands into the oven to grab this. I was like, what am I doing? And then I was like, oh yeah, I'm cool. It's fine. Everyone's fine. I scared
I saw
myself.
you had the towels on earlier.
Yes.
You were going in and out with towels, and I said to Lisa, I said, we got to get her a pair of gloves.
I know.
Look at that cobbler.
But look at that.
Cobbler.
Oh. Why do you
Isn't
guys
that
do
beautiful?
this to me?
We also, we have coordinating pieces. You can check that out on QVC.com where we actually have wood servers. But I love that you're using the metal utensil there because you can pull it right away from the side. So ooey gooey, bubbling, but nothing's gonna stick.
Oh, so easy.
Naturally non-stick, and that's what we love about it. Yes, a breeze, a breeze.
Okay, so you have the two colors to choose from. You have the slate gray. Do not wait on that slate gray, I'm telling you now, especially since that price, we don't have many and the price is gonna go up at the end of the day anyway. We also have it in the classic white. It's H22, $22.85. I can't love it enough. I'm loving on you over here, Tara. All right, so still to come.
Well, thank you.
This is the two-piece nest